Control charts are a type of chart used to visually represent process performance over time. This 7QC tool is a critical statistical tool that is designed to detect variations in the process, product, or both to help maintain a stable process. Control charts are the basis for the application of statistical process control concepts in maintaining process stability through the analysis of process variations and performing subsequent process improvements. Control charts provide a means for recognizing potential process product failures, thus helping prevent defects from occurring, over traditional methods of inspection that provide process product corrections after the defects have occurred. These charts are used to establish a stable process by identifying common causes that are present and further maintain the stable process in control by analyzing the presence of special causes that lead to process product variations. Common causes, also called chance causes or system faults, are variations that are an integral part of the process or machinery that affect process performance on a regular basis, such as poor workstation design. Special causes, also called assignable causes or local faults, are variations that happen sporadically in the process that have a sudden effect or an effect over time on process performance, such as tooling wear. To effectively control and maintain a stable process, both common cause and special cause variations must be identified and addressed. There are several distinct types of control charts based on the type of data being collected and analyzed. Of the several types, the Xbar and R chart, or average and range chart, is the most commonly used control chart in most manufacturing settings, and thus part of the 7QC toolkit.